And this morning, we're still seeing a little bit of cloud cover and a couple raindrops, but don't let that fool you. It's only on its way out, and as it does move away, in will come lots of sunshine. Those temperatures also climb. A bit gloomy, though, still right now. Taking a live look in at NIU in DeKalb. Same goes for downtown Rockford. Still seeing plenty of that cloud cover overhead. Temperatures are in the low to mid 60s, but thankfully we're drying off. A lot of that rain now moving out. Could still squeeze out a light drizzle throughout parts of DeKalb County, but further west, you're even starting to clear out. So the cloud cover will continue to also slide out. That's what you'll see on Future Track. Your Thursday stays dry. We could see a couple passing clouds later in the day, but otherwise nice and quiet. A pretty beautiful summer day ahead. A touch of humidity, mid 80s. Really can't ask for some better weather. And again, the cloud cover this morning will slide out. Could feel a light breeze throughout the afternoon. Gusts only up to about 15 miles per hour. Mid 80s as we stay quiet even overnight. Mostly clear, 65 degrees. Those winds settle. So a nice calm night ahead before we see another chance for potentially some active weather into Friday. It does look like the area is still under a 1 out of 5 for that severe potential. Now, this is thanks to the activity that will develop further north and move into our area. So it could still hang on to some steam, enough to produce an isolated stronger storm. Now, if that happens, damaging wind gusts and hail will be the biggest concern. Let's see what that could look like early tomorrow. We have some broken cloud cover throughout the morning, 8 o'clock. So if you're heading out around this time frame, likely still staying dry, but once we get closer to 9 and 10 o'clock, a couple of these showers are going to drop into our area. Now, some of this activity could fizzle out as it gets closer to our area, so we could see some less chances for rain and even those storms, but this model, though, still ends up predicting some of this activity reaching us. Could see some pockets of heavy rain, and again, isolated strong storms still on the table. 1 o'clock, showers still with us, but then they move out. We're nice and dry throughout your evening. Heck, you might even see some sunshine by the end of your Friday, as we're going to see a whole lot of it into the weekend. And with that will come the heat. We're looking at the mid 90s for your Saturday, Sunday, even early next week, Monday, Tuesday, still low 90s there. But with this also kicks in the humidity, dew points in the 70s. So your heat index values, well, they will likely break the triple digits. So get ready for that summertime heat as best you can. Stay hydrated. Lots of sunblock if you're planning to be outdoors, and make sure to take some breaks from being in the sun as well. We're still nice and hot early next week, but we then do turn active. Looks like those temperatures will drop as the active weather moves in. We'll be back with your final news and weather after this.